Today we're talking about training your team with Caleb Auman and the Hardscape Academy. Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Godar. I'm the owner of Scooters Lawn Care, and my channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformations. And now today we're talking about something that this is so important for your team. It's so important to have great training, so important for everyone to have a good idea of what is going on as they do the steps of these big projects. And an awesome resource that I haven't talked about enough, I've done a video way back in the day, but is a good friend of mine, Caleb Auman. He's made several videos. I haven't stayed up on some of the newer stuff he has, but he's made how to install pavers and how to do retaining walls, and these videos have been huge. So the first version of how to do pavers was an awesome to the point thing for our team members. It was extremely practical, and it wasn't a bunch of fluff. It wasn't a bunch of just talking. It was, I think as he said, all killer and no filler. It was all just to the point practical information with different options. So if you didn't have a laser level, he showed other ways to do it with string and pins, and for installing this hardscaping, it brings, just by you watching, it brings up your knowledge so far, because that's how I've always been. I don't learn that well from just like reading through stuff. I really like watching and seeing what's going on, and a lot of people that work out in the field on projects, they're really visual learners. So it was super practical, and I really liked that. It was also really extremely clear facts. You know, like it started with how the sub base should be taken care of, and you know what kind of materials should be laid down on the sub base before your actual base is installed, and different materials and different things and different tricks for cutting curves, and all these little things that go into building a patio. So it immediately lets a person watch this and see exactly how it's done, so they can just go out in the field with someone that knows what they're doing and start learning more and more and more about how to do this and refining their skills. Because that's when you really learn, is when you get out in the field and you run into this problem and you overcome that problem, and your knowledge and your skill set just gets bigger and bigger and bigger as you overcome more and more problems. So like I mentioned right at the beginning of this, it's just an amazing visual, and it just seems to me out in the field there's a lot of people that are visual learners that really want to see how it's done, so then they can go start applying that with some guidance. And it's been a game changer. You know, really these videos that he's put out, we just bought the retaining wall one. Like I said, go to, it's the hardscapeacademy.com. You can purchase this stuff. It's a great deal. It's worth every single cent. And we just got the retaining wall one, so the team members can continue to watch that and up their skill set. And one thing I've seen about this video, if you're using these with your team, something super interesting that happens. Everybody's looking for rock star standout employees. I want rock star standout employees. I want those so our clients can be taken care of and we can give them that luxurious lifestyle I talked about without the fret and the headaches and the challenges and the problems. Beyond just a training tool, this is a great video that if you can give this to an employee and then they come back to you and they watch it without being told to or forced to on their own time, you see that serious level of investment of someone who wants to learn and who wants to better themselves, and it kind of shows the employee you're dealing with. We had several employees that have watched this. We've had more and more employees that have been using this within our company to train them and get them up to speed, and it's just awesome to see people take this on and use this, and it really just shows you, if they're willing to do that without being forced to or without having to do it on the clock, that it's someone that's really wanting to learn and understands investing in themselves, whether that takes time or money, to better themselves in your company. And that's what I want for the clients, for our team, for everybody, because I want the strongest team. And Caleb Auman's training videos, they are top notch. I suggest them 100%. I think that it is crucial in our industry to be watching stuff like this and sharing it with your team. Caleb, you did a great job. Everyone, if you've watched this, Caleb's Instagram is awesome. Check out his stuff on Instagram. I think he's trying to work on his TikTok. He's getting his YouTube going. Check out everything he's got. Check out the Hardscape Academy and really get rolling with some of the stuff if you're wanting to get into hardscaping. Everybody's always asked me about how do you get into hardscaping, how do you learn? This is how you learn. You read, you watch videos, you demo some stuff on your own, and then you just keep stepping up your skills and stepping up your skills and stepping up your skills. So hope this helps everyone. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.